Hey folks, today I'm going to show you some basic Linux commands very quickly, starting with a sudo apt get install ssh to install ssh in this machine, and I click enter. It takes some time and it is asking me to continue, so I just don't want to continue. That's all. If you want to continue, you can press Y to do that. I'm going to clear the screen, and BC to make some calculations. If you want 3 space into 4 is equal to 12, or you can quit to exit, or you can also do this echo 4 into 5 pipeline BC to get the answer. This can be really helpful when you are in using this initial script. Okay, and cal should show you the calendar of the latest month. If you want to see the calendar of the total year, you can say minus y to see the latest calendar. Clear again, clear the screen off, and cat to show you the content of the file. So I have a file here, say let's say ls, and I have a couple of files here. So I'm going to show you what's there in test. It says hi, this is Vamsi, that's my name. Okay, and clear this stuff. And by the way, clear is the next command we have. So okay, now let's go to copy, and I'm going to copy this test file and paste. So I have a file called paste that has the content of test. So cat past should show you the content of test. Clear this stuff, and du should should show you the disk space of the machine of the following directory. Echo should print the message directly in the output command line, and fdisk should show you fdisk initials should show you the disk number of disks that are available in your machine. So I'm sorry, I don't have root permission. So with root permissions I have all the information. I have a 10 GB hard disk, you know. Okay, clear this. Find something, some file in your machine. If I say I just want to find something called cool, and yeah, here we go. I have it in a directory called 1. So you see that this is my directory 1, and I have a file called cool in there. And let's say something about free shows you the total amount of free space. So I have a 1 GB RAM, so 6 dots, separate this with 6 dots, and you get GB. So I have a 1 GB RAM, with which out of which 40% of it is used and 55% of it is not used. Free, actually. And clear the stuff. Grep should text syntax. So if you have a file and you have some sentences, and if you want to search for something, you can use it. Grep is used to find some text that has this word. R searches for this text recursively so that you find files inside the directories from the current directory. And so zzip, there is something called zzip to actually zip the files. So I'm zipping the file called text, and I get something called test.zzip, and to unzip it I run gunzip to unzip it. This is basically used to decrease or shrink the size of the file. So your file is back, and hostname should actually show you the hostname of the machine. In my case it is India 365, and kill should kill a particular process. Let's say I have a process, ps is to process, aux should show me the current processes that are running my user, and I say tail should give me some of the commands, some of the processes that I'm running, and this saying kill 1899 should kill this process, but I'm not doing this right now, but it will kill the process if I press enter. So ls, as you already know, should, oh shit, okay, I'm back. Something went really wrong, so I had to quit. So let's start with ls. Ls basically shows you the list of files you have. ls minus l lists it, and ls minus lh will give you the human readable timestamp of a file. This can be really useful, trust me. Clear the stuff, and I have something called man should give you a documentation of a particular command. Man cat should give you the documentation of cat command, or man ls should give you the documentation of ls command. By the way, you press spacebar, you get, I mean, it shifts to one page down. It's a quick tip, by the way. And you have remove. Remove will remove something from the current directory, or from the from other directories as well. So I want to create a file called paste, and ls, and I want to remove it. So rm paste should remove it. That's all. And if you want to remove a directory, you can say remove minus r, and the name of the directory should remove it. So I have a directory called 1 earlier, and I don't have it right now. So clear of this stuff, and word count. So let's have a file called test, and I want to count the number of words in it. Say cat test pipeline word count. So I have one line of text with 4 words, and this occupies 17 uh, bytes, or and which should show you where the current where the executable is. So which cat should show you the location of the executable file cat, and who am I should display you the user name of the user. So that's all I have for now. We'll be back soon, and by the way, this is Vamsi from linux.india365.org. Do visit my website, and we'll be back soon. Yeah, bye for now.